Hi guys, this is Saurabh, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you can turn any YouTube video into a blog post using an automation. And we'll be using tools like make.com, Anthropic Claude, and Replicate to create this automation. If this is something you're interested in, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I don't want you to miss out on any of the steps. Before I build this automation directly with you, let me give you a quick overview of how this automation is going to run. So we will build this automation in make.com, which is a no-code automation tool. And the first step which we are going to do is we are going to put a module to watch videos in a YouTube channel. And that channel can be your channel or it can be somebody else's channel as well. And then it is going to transcribe that YouTube video. And after getting the transcription, this particular module is going to summarize that YouTube video. Then we are going to create the title for our blog post using the summary. Then we are going to create the slug for our blog post, which is going to help us in SEO and help to rank that particular blog post. Then we are going to write the blog content. So all these prompts which you are seeing, I'll give a link to all these prompts in the description, which you can utilize. Next up, we are going to write the meta description. Again, this is for the SEO purposes to rank that blog post. Then we are going to generate the main keyword for this particular blog post. Next, we are going to create the image using Replicate, and we'll be using the API call for the Replicate. And then finally, we are going to create the post in WordPress. So in a nutshell, this is how the automation is going to run. And now let's jump straight into building this automation together. So the very first thing is we need to create a new scenario. And the first module which we are going to add is the YouTube module. And we are going to do watch videos in a channel. And over here, you need to connect your channel and you need to click on, you need to write me, and this is going to give out all the videos in your channel. So I've connected my channel and it will pull out videos from my channel, and we'll set the limit as 1 for this testing purposes, but you can put any number like 10, 20, and it is going to generate those transcripts. So let's test this. See, it has pulled up the videos from my channel. All right, so this is good to go. Let's see. We'll just select one video for now. And next, we are going to do HTTP call. And we'll do a make a request. And here, we'll just put this URL. And we'll choose the method as post. Body type will be raw. Content will be JSON. And the requested content, I'll just paste it here. We'll get the video ID. So what we are doing here is we are taking the video URL and the transcription, and then it's going to transcribe the video. So let's run this. Right. Just given the transcriptions. See, it has given the transcription for the video. Next, we are going to add a module for Anthropic Claude, create a prompt, and basically here we are summarizing the transcription. So the model which I usually choose is Claude Sonnet. Max tokens I put 4,000. Add a message. We'll select the role as user, and the content type will be text. In the text, I'll just put the prompt here, and this is the prompt which I'm using. You're receiving the content from a video transcript. Your task is to carefully read and understand the content of transcript. And it is a big long prompt. Basically, it's going to give me a summary for this transcription. And then I click OK. Let's test this out till here. All right, it is running and successful. Here, the content. Here is the summary, which you can see. Yeah, this is the summary which it has created. And the next we are going to create the title. So again, we are going to add Claude, create a prompt. We'll select the model as Sonnet, tokens 4000, add a message, role will be user, and add the content, type as text, and we'll enter text here. So again, this is the prompt. Basically, it's going to pick up that transcription and create the title for us. And after the title, I'll just copy this. We are going to create the slug. So here, everything remains the same. I'll just change the prompt here. And in this, we are creating the slug and we are taking the output from the summary, which has created. We don't want to, if you want to remember, then you can just rename these modules. So this is for summary and this is for title. And this is for slug. Next, again, I'm going to copy this module. And now we are going to create the blog content. Okay, if we read this particular prompt, it says, write an informative blog post in the English language, engaging and humanized about the topic. Inform the text must attract, educate, and engage the target audience while following SEO best practices to ensure good visibility in search engines. And the article length must be between 2000 and 2500 words. So here you can modify the prompt, and this is the standard prompt which I usually use. And if you want to know how we can generate these prompts, let me know in the comments and I'll do a separate video for that. And here we are passing the inputs, we are passing the summary, and we are passing the transcript. And then you just need to click on auto align and it will automatically align. Next, we are going to add the meta description. Just copy this again. The prompt for the meta description. Next, we are going to add for creating the blog image, the prompt to create the image. So here I'm saying that you are a prompt writer. You'll be given an article or piece of text. Based on the text, you will produce a descriptive prompt for image generation. We've chosen the model and we've given the summary as the input. Next, we are going to do an API call. We'll just choose HTTP module, make a request, and just add this URL. Method will be post, address will be authorization. Again, this is, we are calling the replicate API. So here after bearer, you need to enter your API key, and then you choose raw, content will be JSON, and here it will be blog post. Then we select past response, and then we add tools module to sleep for 60 seconds. This is just to allow the image creation. And this particular image creation, I'm using Replicate, which is this website. You can just sign up on this website, add few credits, and you can start using it. And we'll be using the Flux model in here. Again, the link to that will be in the I button as well as in the description down below. It's a video from my mentor, Jack Roberts, where he explained how to use this. All right, the automation run is complete. And you see, I have to add an error module here because I was getting error for the Claude overload. So I just ignored it. I add this error handler. Let me just connect this. And here we'll be putting the URL. The method is going to be get, going to be authorization. Again, you will get all this information in the API description for Replicate, to what all headers you need to use it during your API calls. Then will be, and then we add module for WordPress. Since I'm posting it in a WordPress, create a post. So here you need to select your WordPress blog. Again, you need to connect your WordPress blog. If you have any issues in connecting your WordPress blog, let me know and I'll do a separate video for that. All right. So the title going to be the output of the title prompt, and it will be this blog content. And here we'll also put this. Get the image. Type will be post. Yeah. All right. Next excerpt will be your slug. Date will be now. So we'll just put today's date. So we'll use the now function. Here we got slug again. We'll just map all these outputs which we had generated in the previous modules. It's the status to which you want the post to be. You want it to be published. You want it to be in draft, future, pending, private. I always keep it in draft because I want to personally check before it is live on my blog. Then you can select the category and all, the author. All right. So we have created this. Now let's run it one time. And the automation is running. Let me just pause this video and I'll be back once this is complete. All right. So the automation run is complete, and let's go in WordPress and check. Yeah, it has generated 5 ways to make.com transform your business workflow without code. And this is all the content. And this is the image which it has generated. So guys, this is how you can just convert any video into a blog post. And using this method, you can set up blogs in different niches, and you can build this automation. You can schedule number of blog posts by converting number of videos from different channels and build a number of blogs for yours. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video.